is being reviewed. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and grip your seatbelt upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any smart music is not allowed. Start with the seatbelt
Daddy na. Ayan yung mga kuya sa Mama, ganito ka pa kaya?
Hoy. Pag nagsusuka kayo, bahan nyo. Pag nasusuka kayo, gamitin nyo.
Hi, Bunso. Makakarating siya ng buhok.
Yay!
Nakikita na niya yung grandma niya. Ayan po, oh, yung Cebu Pacific. Ayan. Ayan, medyo malabo yung camera ko. Mamaya pa mag-video.
Magkano ka na kaya ka?
Marami pa po sumasakay.
Hindi fairly complicated. Kaya,
Hi, Pogi.
patayin nyo na.
Hi!
Ito. Nasusuka kayo. Sila mo yan po.
Ano daw, Daddy?
Paano pag masusuka ka?
Pag nasusuka, ayan, punitin mo lang yun.
May we request everyone to kindly safeguard all loose items, especially hard objects such as plants, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before storing it over the bed. In line with this, please take caution in securing